I work for Cumbria Action for Sustainability, and we work with a really wide range of participants through the GreenWays to Work project. At a professional level, we work with planners, architects, local authority officers, councillors. At a community level, we can work with volunteers from community action groups, churches, village halls, and we even also sort of extend our training to householders because we want to mainstream sustainable development. We've helped empower these participants by raising their skills and awareness in lots of different areas. This includes renewable technologies, code for sustainable homes, energy efficiency, air tightness, thermal performance, sort of a wide range of areas that are all linked to adapting our buildings to a low carbon future. We try and provide practical local examples where possible, engaging people through sort of peer-to-peer learning as well as your normal sort of seminars and workshops. At a community level, we are trying to upskill communities so that they can deliver projects on energy efficiency within their own communities. And at a householder level, we raise awareness and we provide information so that they can drive the demand for energy efficiency and renewable technologies. The positive outcomes of our work are many, and they operate on lots of different levels. So, for example, professionals involved in sort of the building industry, it's quite hard for them to specify products if they haven't actually seen them out in the field. So by attending some of our training events that are out in situ, they can then understand the technology and they are better able to recommend it to their clients. And the same goes for planners. Perhaps they see technologies out there in the field, they have got a better idea when it comes to assessing planning permissions. An example from our community work is we had a lady from the Upper Ealing Community Partnership come along to one of our thermal imaging training events. She then went on and used that knowledge with a thermal camera in some homes in her local area, advising her householders on energy efficiency, heat loss and insulation. She then came back to us to try and talk about how can she roll that out wider within her community, and we were very pleased when we worked with her and she secured funding to roll the project out across her community. So now that project will reach around another 6,000 homes. So that really sort of is a good example of how our training can stimulate longer term work. We also try and maximise the local supply chain where possible. And when we're delivering our training, we're obviously conscious that there's an interface there available between suppliers and those that are specifying. So we try and make sure that we can maximise the amount of local businesses that have green building or energy efficiency technologies at our events, so that the demand for local products increases and thereby it stimulates our local economy.